Meron na kayong napili kulay verde. Good luck sa inyo. Meron na kayong 20,000. Ha? Total na. 20,000. Here we go. 10. 20. 30. 40. Pera o kahon!
Kahon! Kahon!
Kahon po.
50,000!
Kahon, Will!
60,000! Pera kahon!
Kahon!
Kahon ang napili. Ang laman ng kahon ay... Tatlo! Meron na kayo 20 plus 60, 80,000! Pera o kahon!
Kahon, Will! Kahon!
Sigurado!
Kahon!
Kahon ang napili. Ayaw ng pera. Ang laman ng kahon ay... Ay! Ang laman ng kahon! Ay! Ito na! Mag-isip ka mabuti, Joy. Meron ka ng 80,000 inuwi.
Nako! Nako! Pera, Will! Hoy!
Pera o kahon? Ano siya na bayan? Pera o kahon! $60,000 plus 20, 80,000. Iso, Joy. Pangarap nyo pumunta dito dahil gusto nyo magkapera. Pera o kahon?
Pera na lang, Will.
Pera. Ang laman ng kahon ay...
Nako! Nako! Patay!
Anyway, once again, thank you very much for being here. The candidate of Miss Earth 2018! Yeah! There's coming, okay. There's going to be on November 3. Okay, want to read that, please? When is this?
In November 3 at the Mall of Asia Arena.
And then it will be aired on November 4 Sunday here in SNBO GMA 7 at 10. Okay? Girls, good luck and thank you so much for being here. Have fun here in the Philippines and we all love you. Have fun, huh? Thank you for being here and good luck. God bless you all, okay? Thank you!
Spreading love and joy, fun and laughter, woman of the earth, making miracles forever.
Thank you very much. I'm Ma'am Laurentia, Miss Pichi Veneracion. Thank you so much. All the candidates, you've seen them all here in Wow and GMA 7. The 90 candidates, and of course, okay, ang ating pambato dyan is Miss Celeste. Celeste Cortesi. Good luck, and all the girls, good luck. And bring the crown home, okay? Miss Earth, pera napili, 80,000. Alam niyo ba kung ano ang laman ng kahon? Ang laman ng kahon ay...
Nako! Pag-isipan niyo yan! Hoy!
Ang laman ng kahon! Meron ba tong laman? May 1 million ba to? May ako sa La Fabria? Pera ang pinili! Ang laman ng kahon!